picking me as your friend. We're gonna have a great time getting to know each other. I'll ride Bella. You can have Spice. Then we'll go to the Cupcake Café and you can meet my 4 BFFs. Hey, where's Toffee? Toffee! What a pretty bow! I wonder where it came from. For our tour, I picked my favorite sites in Heartlake City. When I want to go easy, this is an awesome ride. I love the quiet beauty of the heart-shaped lake. Here at the park, there's always a game going on. Hey, there's Stephanie!
Hi!
Steph! Cool saddle cover. It looks like the bow someone put on top.
Maybe it's the same mysterious someone who gave me the cover. But who? Oh well, got a schedule to keep. Later!
When I want to feel a real adrenaline rush, I come to my favorite skate park. Cupcakes! The Cupcake Café! Oh, I forgot all about that. We're supposed to meet everyone there. Hi, Martin, Jacob. Will you guys return our horses to the stable? And we'll need to borrow your skateboards, too. Thanks, you're the best. Bye! Wow, those obstacles are new. Almost there! Whoa, that was an adrenaline rush.